To see some sunshine for the final day of 2020, especially for the afternoon hours, and we made our way into the 20s as temperatures go. Today, I think we'll do something similar, maybe not quite as much of the sun, but look at time lapse from our Lewiston auto camera from the studio looking southward. Big breaks of sunshine, some crepuscular rays, little fingers of light breaking through the clouds from time to time, making for a nice and cheery send off to the year 2020 as you look southward. Pretty dry day, and it's been dry for most of the month, aside from a couple of doses of snow. So a quiet end of the month and the year. And this morning we wake up to something very tranquil, but a little cloudier. The clouds begin to fill in, a little fog in the distance. Just a couple of hours ago we had completely clear skies and some moonlight, a little starlight. Now this morning, clouds are beginning to spill into the area from the south. Looking outside with our Lewiston auto camera from Assisi Heights. So far, a fairly quiet day though. It's 15. The temperature winds very light out of the south, 2 miles per hour. The wind chill now matching that actual temperature at 15. In Austin, you see more of that fog showing it prominently, especially looking through that layer of stratus clouds from this vantage point. This is looking toward the east along Interstate 90. Little fog, little stratus cloud cover, and the visibility is beginning to slowly edge its way downward. 2 miles current official visibility at ground level in Austin. Of course, from that angle, looking through the clouds, it did look a little extra murky, but at ground level, not quite as bad as that. Rochester, kind of a similar situation, 2.5 miles here at Dodge Center, 1 mile. North Iowa, a mile or less, and we're starting to see that fog thicken in a few spots, especially south in the area. Temperatures right now mainly in the teens. This is what you kind of expect this time of the year. 9 would be the climate average for low temperatures. We're not too far from that. 14 right now in Rochester, Austin 16 degrees in Charles City. Winds very light out of the south, trying to pump in some warmth, and so temperatures won't likely make it into the single digits in most spots. Clouds also having something to say about that. 14 right now, the temperature, winds 6 miles per hour. 5, the official wind chill index. Here the clouds spilling into the area. Will have very limited sun going forward the rest of the day. We're in fact dealing with the storm system south of us. It's not going to have a direct impact for us, but we will have cloud cover from that, and perhaps northeast Iowa, maybe even grays with a couple flurries there. Or very light snow shower, but not measurable precipitation. What we're looking at is parts of Missouri, Illinois, and southeast Iowa, and winter weather advisory headlines. A winter weather advisory for areas from around Oskaloosa, Iowa City, eastward toward the Quad Cities, and the winter storm warning for areas south of there, where there's a possibility of 4 or 5 inches of snow, but also freezing rain mixing in for much of the day. So it's going to be kind of a sloppy situation, that portion of the region, but not so much for us. We're going to be getting a glancing blow from that with clouds, some fog today. Some weekend sun slowly breaking through, and then a few 30s for high temperatures by next week. But today, 14 for that morning commute. Maybe a break of sunshine or two initially, but for the most part, clouds and fog of clouds for much of the day. Maybe a peek or two at the sun heading into the afternoon. A light breeze turning more to the north later on. Winds 25, temperature around 25 miles per hour. Winds only around 5 miles per hour all day. So not much of a breeze. 20s today, teens tonight, and from there we'll have wind chill levels in the teens as well. Not much wind chill impact. Future track, clouds in the area for the most part. There's that storm system staying south of us. Tomorrow, extra cloud cover underneath an area of high pressure, an inversion in the atmosphere. So a lot of low-level moisture trapped underneath that, so not able to break that free. But finally, by Sunday, more of a southwesterly breeze, and we'll see some sunshine re-emerging. So Sunday looks to be a brighter, more pleasant day, and some 30s hold on with the help of sunshine early next week as well. Next chance of precipitation may hold off until next Wednesday at this point. 25 today in Rochester, 25 in Mason City. Mostly cloudy skies and areas of fog, especially this morning. Winds out of the southeast turning more to the north, around 3 to 6 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy sky, a light breeze, 12 degrees. 7-day forecast, weekend looking very quiet. Sunday looks nice with some sun and some 30s for next week. Chance of rain, a little snow on Wednesday. Nothing major out of that, and a flurry or two left behind into Thursday of next week. But at this point, not necessarily measurable snowfall, and certainly at this point, I don't think anything to shovel in the near future. Those temperatures actually all look halfway decent for January, all above 0, and I think that's a minimum threshold anytime talking about January. Kind of keep the bar low, and at this point, things look halfway decent.
And quiet is also a good thing to kick off a new year. Thanks, 10.